Within a year of its launch, the factual entertainment channel Sony BBC Earth has emerged as the #1 channel in the metros as per the latest BARC numbers. This makes Sony BBC Earth the fastest growing channel in the infotainment category. The channel is celebrating this achievement with New York Times best-selling author, renowned TV presenter and award-winning medical journalist Dr. Michael Mosley. Adding to the celebration was the presence of fitness and healthy living expert Shilpa Shetty. Experts in their fields, both Shilpa and Michael together bust some long-standing myths related to health and fitness that help in leading a vigorous life. Let's hear more from the first anniversary of Sony BBC Earth.
I have to welcome Dr. Michael Mosley to our country. Or should I even say that because you belong to India? I feel
yes,
you were
born out here.
हाँ, वो यहाँ पे पैदा हुए कलकत्ता में और परवरिश उनकी abroad हुई है. But I feel very happy that he believes in Indian food and the power that Indian foods have, and he propagates that with whatever little I've read about him, seen of him. I love the fact that there is someone out there in the West who is propagating Indian foods, and I welcome that. So welcome to India.
Thank
back
you.
Again.
Yes.
And also have to take the opportunity to congratulate Sony BBC Earth on completing a year and being the #1 channel. I really believe that most people underestimate the power of food, and a lot of people think that hitting the gym is enough, and I've always said this, and I'm going to repeat myself, that it is 70% diet and 30% some kind of workout regime. बहुत लोग होते हैं कि कहते हैं कि ये आपको करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, लेकिन आप अपनी ज़िंदगी कैसे जी रहे हैं? I think सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आप एक अगर आप हेल्थ पूरी तरीके से इंजॉय करना चाहते हैं, मैं लाइफ नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं हेल्थ इंजॉय करना चाहते हैं का इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज हम हेल्थ को क्या है बहुत एक एपैथी सा है हेल्थ को लेके, कि जब तक कुछ हो नहीं जाता हम लोग हेल्थ को सीरियसली नहीं लेते हैं. बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट बात है, क्योंकि लाइफ इज़ गिवन टू अस फॉर फ्री, which is why I feel most people don't know the value of it. तो ये जो एपैथी है हेल्थ को लेके, और जो डायबिटिक्स हैं, अगर वो समझे कि वो रिवर्सिबल है और हो सकता है, अगर आप सालों से डायबिटिक है और बहुत ही हाईली डायबिटिक है, तो ऑब्वियसली आपको डॉक्टरों का ज़्यादा मानना चाहिए. बट इफ़ यू जस्ट बीन डायग्नोज्ड विद डायबिटीज़ एंड you are obese, you can reverse it. I think most people don't do mindful eating. We just eat whatever comes to our mind, you just eat that. So mindful eating is one of the first to-dos on the list if you want to enjoy better health. And for me, I really feel it's also a lifestyle modification that I have made in my life.
Yes.
You are someone who is a trained nutritionist, you have your degree. I unfortunately haven't done all of that, but I believe that I have experimented on myself, and I feel very proud about the fact that I feel healthier, I feel more alive today than I was even 12 years ago.
Indeed, feel alive.
Feeling alive, really. And I have seen the difference that food has made to me, the timings have made to me. So it is a lifestyle modification that I have made in my life, which I'm trying to propagate, and you are doing the same.
Absolutely.
With people.